Matron, take them away.
Good morning. Welcome to Forex Watch with Scruff. What we're going to do is we're going to look at which is the strongest and weakest markets, what the news is, and see what's going on. Okay, so flick this over. First thing I like to do on a morning is I look at the economic calendar. It's currently sort of 10 to 7 in the morning. Got my coffee, because you need your coffee. It's the first job that you want to be playing with. And look to see if there's going to be any spikes today. Well, for the 10th of July, there is nothing to consider. So I'm not worried about the news in any shape or form. When it comes to strength, the euro is the strongest market this morning, and the weakest is the Aussie. Now, there's been slight changes with them from the last data sample, and they're both increasing. Now, what that tells me is whatever I'm doing, be a little bit conservative and even counterintuitive. And why is that? Well, it's very simple. It just means that they're starting to push against each other. Because when something is very expensive, it'll be sold off. And when something is very weak, it'll buy up. Well, if the Aussie's starting to buy up, that can affect what's going on. Now, I also just want to draw attention to a trade that I have running currently, which is the euro dollar. I'm going to carry on with this trade following the live stream I did at the weekend when somebody told me this was analysed wrong. Well, for the guys that were checking the live stream, it's actually analysed correct. I said this would pull down, and sure enough it is, and I'll continue a video with that running later. But why is the euro running high? Well, very simple. Pull into a basket of stocks and you'll see that it is still pushing. However, against some of the major currencies, the JPY and the USD, it is starting to pull down. So my prediction was correct. And it's pulling straight into the first stall point that I highlighted. So what is the purpose of these videos? It's really just to show you the strength sheet, let you know what the news is going on, very quick snippets. And if you like it, I'll continue, I'll expand on them a little bit more, and I'll also answer a question in the comments. So drop a comment, ask a question, I'll show you the strength sheet, I'll tell you what the news is for the day each day, and I'll answer your question to bring a little bit of value. Hope you're well. Have a safe trade.